What's up everyone? GLD here. Are you guys on the lookout for a new aircon to install in your room? Or probably looking to upgrade from a traditional AC to an inverter type? Look no further kasi for this video, we will be discussing the window type aircon from Carrier, which is an inverter type. Karamihan ng features of this unit revolves around saving electricity costs, at according to their website, you could get up to 85% savings of your bill, so hindi ka masyado kakabahan sa Meralco bill mo. Quick specs rundown of this unit. It has dimensions of 470 by 330 by 596 millimeters. In terms of cooling capacity, it is rated at 10,000 kilojoules per hour. And sa power consumption naman, it is at 905 watts. Now, if you're going to translate that into layman terms, it can cool an area of around 15 to 21 square meters. Converted to Philippine peso, it is around 10 pesos per hour-ish. And meron din siyang 5-star EER rating by DOE, which means it is highly efficient in cooling your room. Now, let us go naman sa mga reasons on why you should buy this Carrier compact inverter. There are two reasons, and I'll start off with number one. Ang number one reason is because of the features of this AC. Medyo marami-rami yung electricity savings features na meron to. I'll start things off with real-time on and off timer. So, ang nangyayari doon is pwede ka mag-set sa remote mo na po-program mo siya na mag-on and off yung unit at a preset time. Let's say for example, gusto mo siyang mag-start ng 10 p.m. tapos mag-end siya ng 7 a.m. Pwede yun, you could do that on your remote. The second feature na meron is yung sleep mode. Now, the sleep mode with this is a little bit different. What happens is it increases the temperature set point by 1 degree every hour. So let's say right now, iset ko siya, i-on ko at 23 nang naka-on yung sleep mode. After an hour, aangat yan into 24. And after additional hour, pupunta yan into 25. Ganun yung temperature. Syempre, ang nangyayari doon dahil tumataas yung temperature set point, mas konti na yung kinakailangan na electricity ng aircon para palamigin yung kwarto mo. Now, the third feature naman is the econo feature. What happens with this is kapag sinet mo yung econo feature ng 25, no? Or 23, kapag ka umabot na yung temperature ng room ng 23, automatically yung unit mo magta-turn off. The fourth feature of this unit is a cycle function. Now, this is a little bit special then as well. Hindi ko to nakikita sa ibang aircons. It allows you to program yung unit or yung aircon mo na mamamatay siya at bubukas. Magsa-cycle siya ng ganon every 30 minutes interval. Fifth energy saving feature ng unit na to, and ito yung pinaka-favorite ko, and this is called the energy savings plug. If you're going to use this energy savings plug along with other features na meron yung aircon, it can really do wonders in terms of electricity savings. Kasi itong energy savings plug, ikakabit mo yung electric fan mo doon, and then every time na magta-turn off yung aircon, automatic na magta-turn on yung electric fan naman. Actually, yung gantong feature, mabibili mo naman yan separately if you have other brands of aircon. Usually, aparato yan na mabibili mo sa Ace Hardware or kung saan man, no? The good thing about this Carrier unit is, syempre, integrated na siya sa aircon mo. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng kahit na ano pa. Another energy saving feature na meron ang aircon na to is what we call the run hour timer. It allows you to budget an electricity consumption. So, para siyang timer na matagal. Pwede ka mag-timer ng 240 hours, 100 hours. Nakikita ko to na pwedeng mas applicable siya para sa mga negosyo siguro, no, na talagang laging naka-turn on yung aircon nila. Pero ang maganda kasi dyan is pwede mong i-budget yon na kunwari 100 hours ka lang in 1 month. Ayun, automatic siya magto-turn off, no. So again, it's a special use case but it's there if you want it. Other features na meron itong aircon na to, and one of my favorites as well, although it's not electricity saving feature, is there is an 8-in-1 air filter system that neutralizes yung free radicals. It also removes odors, molds, and fungi, which effectively improves your air quality. Now, punta naman tayo sa second reason on why you should buy this Carrier aircon. Of course, the Carrier brand support and after sales. I think it's pretty safe to say na pag sinabi mong aircon tapos Carrier, mapagkakatiwalaan yan. It is trusted by many. It's dependable, it's reliable, no? Actually, ngayon ko lang nalaman na meron pala silang contact center na available 24 hours, 7 days a week. So, kunwaring gusto mo magpa-schedule, hating gabi, may sasagot niyan sa'yo, no? So, that's the first. And also, there is a general warranty of 1 year. Yan yung mga plastic parts, I think, no? May bonus pa nga actually na if you're going to buy online, you're going to get a free twice general cleaning within a year. And also, may free check-up din yan. Pagka may maingay or hindi lumalamig or may issue ka, gusto mo pa-check up yung aircon mo, libre naman yan, pupuntahan ka ng carrier. Ngayon, punta naman ako sa aircon tips just to make sure you get topmost performance dun sa unit na bibilihin mo. Make sure you get the right capacity of aircon for your room and you do the proper installation. Baka mamaya kasi masyadong malaki yung room mo para sa aircon or may other factors din dyan. Like for example, yung kwarto mo maraming bintana, mainit, may sun doon na pumapasok sa loob ng room mo. So you have to consider all those things. Siguro punta ka sa Abenson or sa Anson. I'm sure makakapagbigay sila ng suggestion sa'yo kung ano yung tamang aircon for your room. Okay. Second tip is do not hire an unauthorized service provider because this will void your warranty. It's entirely possible na baka mamaya kasi yung gumalaw ng aircon mo, hindi nila alam paano linisin yung carrier unit, no? Syempre may mga PCB dyan na hindi dapat mabasa, etc. etc. So just make sure na carrier lang ang gagalaw, no? And last but not the least, and probably the most important, is consistent maintenance of the unit. Yung cleaning natin, yung general cleaning, it should be, ang advice ni carrier is every 6 months and only done by the carrier technician. Another one is may filter kasi yan. Syempre, nabanggit ko kanina, there's an air filter in the unit. Tanggalin mo yon, please clean it every 2 weeks. I believe in the manual, it says in there, pwede mo siyang parang brush, parang light brush na pwede mo siyang gawin doon. Just to make sure, again, you get the topmost performance. So that pretty much sums up my video. You know, I've been using this carrier aircon for about 1 month already and I've been very, very happy with the performance. Tahimik siya and I can feel that consistent yung lamig na nabibigay niya sa akin, which is very, very good. Alright, so if you like this video, please click the like button. Please consider subscribing if you learned something and stay good looking.